Minikidzhub.
Alex and Lily's sharing the joy. Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a boy named Alex, who loved his red balloon. One day, he saw a sad little girl named Lily, whose teddy bear had fallen in a puddle. Alex gently lifted Lily's teddy bear from the puddle and wiped away the water, and then shared his balloon with her. Lily was overjoyed, and Alex learned the joy of sharing. From that day on, he realized that sharing made others happy and brought joy to his own life.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more videos. Subscribe to Minikidzhub.